Today's fix is the Range Rover hydraulic arms. So if you're ever in there, don't stay up. Watch your fingers. If you're ever had this problem trying to wash it up, putting your head in, trying to fill it up. Help! Help! So we're going to try and sort out that problem today. So there's some little clips there. There he is. Something's alright. So there's the difference. This is the replacement parts we got from eBay, £24. And there's the part number there. Let's put them back on. Pop. Push up the bonnet. And pop. And just like that, we are done. Nice, quick, easy fix for the day.